Welcome to Sri Vasu Consultant YouTube channel. Today, friends, I'm showing how to book Tata commercial vehicles from CSC centers. So, CSC really can able to book Tata commercial vehicles and get the faster support from CSC VLE centers also. So, first CSC VLEs will log in their CSC portal. In this CSC portal, in search button, they have to type vehicle. So we will get e-vehicle. So we have to click this. We will get a new page. In this new page, you can see it is an e-vehicles means it is an electric vehicles. But they have updated from Tata Motors this page. So here we want to log in with VLE login. When we will enter VLE login, our ID will be generated and whatever the lead we will book from this site, so it will be triggered to Tata company and CSE. When the case will be closed and completed successfully, the incentive will be received by CSE. See, here is home CSE mobility and product and services. Today I am showing how to book CSE VLE Tata commercial vehicles. So here product and services, there is second one Tata groups. In that Tata groups, there is when you go for another folder, there is a Tata Motors CVBU. Just click on this CVU. You will get a new page. All product listing like commercial vehicles. So in here, when you will go keep on scrolling down, you will get all the vehicles, is their description of the vehicles, model, rates and all. And the price will be upgraded by Tata company as per every month there any changes will be there. So at the time of the booking, you will get what is the price and all. So these are the Tata commercial vehicles we can able to sell through our CSC portal. So these are all vehicles we can able to book. So for further any support also, Tata team also will get in touch with you and they will also help to generate the leads and close the leads. So today I am showing one lead through this portal. So you can have a look how we want to book and the generate will trigger. So now I am showing Intra 330. So first I want to know what is the product of this. So just click on view details. So here we will get a new page. So in that Tata Intra V30 overview. So this is a customer login. You should not book here, but you can have a look of the features and benefits and what are all the useful thing. And here is a download brochure which you can able to download the brochure and you can able to show the clients also. So this is the brochure. So this brochure you can share to your customers. And second thing, here I am showing here Intra V30 overview, gallery. So you will get a galleries of that vehicle, headlight, tire, front look, inner look, as well as the information. So there is in videos also. You can have a look some videos like Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali, Telugu, Malayalam, Gujarati, Oriya, Kannada. So you have a look of these videos also. You can able to view it. features of 30 Intra V30 features. So what outlook, bigger size, and big, what is the power, what will be the performance, and comfortable, savings, fuel profits. So these are the some features they have been shared in this portal. So next comes specification. Specification of Intra V30. So here you can see engine capacity, maximum output torque, so weight, mission, steering, suspension, wheels and tires, performance, and warranty. So what is the warranty of this? So additional warranty and all, the showroom executives will be getting the support for you for further. So now I am showing how to book and how to generate the lead from VLE, how to book for a customer through our CSC VLE centers. Okay, here is a create lead. So when we'll click the create lead, we will get a new page. Here, as a customer, we can able to enter name, initial, all. So as per that, I am showing I will book one thing, and I am putting my initial, mobile number, and this is the product type is, it is a commercial vehicle, CVBU, so it will never change. So as per that we have entered, and product, as per product, there is a Tata Gold, Inter, Magic Express, Venus, Yoda. These are the 5 vehicles. See, when I go for Tata Ace Gold, so I'll get 3 models, CNG, petrol, and petrol CX. If I'll go for Intra, I'll get 2 models in Intra. If I'll go for Magic Express, I'll get 2 models. One is ambulance and is Express M2. And winner, if I'll go for winner, again I am getting 3 models. One is ambulance, one is deluxe, and one is school. If I'm going for a Yodha, in Yodha I have a 4 options: 1200, 1500, 1700, and CC. So these are what is that changes and all. You will get explanation with between Tata Motors executives will be give brief description, or else you can go through that. I have already informed where is the brochure and all. So I am booking now Tata S Gold. I will take care of CNG, and I want to take a state. See, I am staying in Karnataka. One of my friend is staying in Andhra, so I can book from here to Andhra also. So the lead will be generating to Andhra, and the showroom peoples will take care all the necessary requirement, and they will close, and the pop-up will be receiving to you. So presently I am staying in Karnataka. As per that I am taking Karnataka and district. So I am in Bangalore. So metro cities will be same. Other than metro cities, you will get Panchayat, Jilla Panchayat, district and all. So this is Bangalore South, and city is again Bangalore. So as per my pin code, so I can able to search and fix it, my pin code, my address. And if I require a loan, I am taking yes. If I am not required a loan, I go for a no. So as per that, our Tata Motors will executives and backend team will get support to clients. So here I will put just yes, and some reference number will be there. Default you can able to generate 1, 2, 3 something as per that. Okay, I am taking 3 for this. So this is the thing, and for this we can able to take a screenshot and we can able to share to our clients as per. This is my VLE center. This is the inquiry number and customer name and product and date and time as per booking. And for further any query, please be comment in my comment box and I will be in touch with you so I can guide more easily. And also now I am trying to share in Kannada also. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಂಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ನ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟಾಟಾ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅದರ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ CSCID ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡನೇದು ಟಾಟಾ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ CVBU ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೀಡ್ ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಲೀಡ್ ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ DMಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಿನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಟಾಟಾ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಾಗಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ DM ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟಾಟಾ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪೋರ್ಟಲಲ್ಲೇ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಕೀಪ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಶ್ರೀ ವಾಸವಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನರಸಿಂಹ. ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ಈ ಕ್ವರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸು ನಾನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಬಟನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೈ ಬೈ ಟು ಆಲ್.